birthday, Lola Mom.
Okay.
I just wanted to greet you happy 83rd
Third,
birthday.
may you have one more to come.
Lots more.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna play you a song.
I'll sing first.
Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you.
Cha cha cha.
Happy birthday, dear Lola Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Thank
and
you.
Many more on Channel 4.
So later on you have play the violin and the piano. Happy birthday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Mom.
Okay.
Song for you.
Thank you. Piano, piano. Instead of piano, more violin songs. Belated Silent Night. What else? Can you play something like Christmassy or
Oh, let's see.
Thank you. Say hi to the people of the Philippines. Say hi to some the other relatives.
Hi,
Tito
everyone.
Tito Boying.
Hi.
Tito Boying, say Tito Albert.
Hi, Tito Albert. Hi, Tito Boy.
The Kambal. Tita Cynthia. Huh?
Hi.
Tita Emmy.
Hi.
The baby.
Hi.
Hope she likes your first toy, huh? That you give away to the baby.
Yeah.
And what about AJ?
Hey, AJ.
What are you giving to EJ? Lots of? He can play with those lots of Matchbox, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. See you then. See you in
Bye.
summer. Have a safe trip to Washington.
This song is for my wife, who's in the United States right now. Sa buhay
Makalawin
kong
kamay mo.
labis, ang hirap at pasakit ng puso umiibig, matiwala ng langit at nang lumigaya, hinamo mo sa dusa, tanging ikaw sinta ang aking pag-asa. Dahil sa'yo na
Nais kong mabuhay dahil sa'yo hanggang mamatay. Dapat mong tanungin, wala nang ibang giliw. Puso ko'y tanungin, ikaw at ikaw rin. Dahil sa'yo ako'y lumigaya. Pagmamahal ay anlayan ka. Kung tunay man ako, ay alipinin mo ang lahat sa buhay ko'y dahil sa'yo. Dahil sa'yo nais kong mabuhay. Dahil sa'yo